Hello, everybody. My name is Waji, and I'm a model booker at FP Models and Academy. I welcome you all and thrilled to have you as a part of our FP community. The purpose of making this video is to create awareness among all you guys and to help you to get started to apply for the jobs. This application is actually one of the safest and supportive application for all the models and talents who are looking for some job opportunities, applying for some castings, and you can freely ask the questions over there and help each other in many aspects. So the first question that comes in our mind is like, who is this channel for? I mean, it's basically for the male models, female models, kids, makeup artists, videographers, photographers, hosts, actors, influencers. So this channel is not just limited to one person. It's just for every single person who is just looking for some good opportunities and who just wanted to pursue his career in the media and entertainment. So actually we represent various models from our agency from all ages. So it's basically for all of them. So the first step is like how you can use this application. So what you have to do is you just have to go through the application. You just have to subscribe it first and then just create your basic profile over there by uploading your picture and mention your name, adding your biography and some other details that are required to fulfill your application, and then you will be on it on this application. And then you have to just go through the application on daily basis, exactly the way you go through the Instagram, your other application like Facebook and all. So you just have to check out the description of the jobs that we have posted. For example, I am looking for any female or male model for a brand shoot. So I have posted a job details over there. For example, recently I have posted a shoot for a brand Azari. So if you can see the application, I have posted the details that I'm looking for a female model. The shoot duration is for 2 hours, the date, location, the budget, every single detail. So basically what you have to do is you just have to go through the description that we have posted. For example, what exactly the shoot is all about, when the shoot is going to be happening, where it's going to be happened, what exactly will be the budget, what exactly will be the duration, like how many hours, and what exactly will be the location. So just reading out the description, you just have to mention interested in the comment box. For example, if you think that you're available on that day and you're up for this shoot, you just have to mention interested in the comment box. Or you can WhatsApp me directly, because I have mentioned my WhatsApp number and my email address as well. So you can just WhatsApp me directly, or you can just email me with your portfolio or the screenshot of that post. Then, hi Waji, I am available for this shoot. Please share my portfolio with the client. So based on your interest, I will share your portfolio with the client, because actually decision maker is client, not the agency, because we can just share your portfolio, we can push your portfolio to the client, but the end decision maker is the client. So for example, if they select you, I will let you know on call or via SMS, or if you want some written documents, of course we can share with you as well that you have been selected for this shoot, and this will be the duration, that will be the date, this will be the budget, and of course like I will be sharing the contact and the key person name and his contact number, email address and everything. So like when you arrive at the location on the date of shoot, you can contact the client that okay, I have arrived, and of course I will be available on the phone call as well, that if there is any issue you can call me at that time. So it's a very simple process. First you can just have to mention interested, or you can just have WhatsApp me directly, or you can email me. So after that, it will be my job to share your portfolio with the client, and if they approve you, if they select you, I will share the details with you. So once you go through the application, you will be able to see that how simple and easy this application is to use. So you just have to go through this application on daily basis, exactly the way you use Instagram, Facebook, and other application. Just check out the jobs, apply for it, just mention interested, or you can just directly message me on this application as well. So I will see your message. I will share your portfolio with the client, because once you're done with your photo shoot, we will be having your portfolio in our database, and of course I will be sharing your portfolio because I'll be the key person with the client and of course with the model. So once you're done with it, once you're I will share your portfolio and I will be sharing all the details uh, if you're selected by the client. So it's a very simple way, it's a very easiest way. I will create a demo for you guys so you can just check it out and apply for it. And of course my number is also there. If there's any confusion, just let me know. I will create a one-on-one Zoom call with you. I will give you a live demo for this application. So it's very simple. And but make sure that you have signed a freelance contract, so it will be more easy to understand the process and of course like how you the agency is working and how you have to work with an agency. So good luck and just let me know if you have any question. Thank you.